Hello and welcome to Matilda Visits and Leander Life from a brand new destination. We are in Indonesia, to be more precise we are in Bali. We're staying in at the gorgeous hotel. The rest of the family is coming tomorrow. Everybody here for the wedding of Sherry and Michael. So we are in the shuttle bus about to head into the city of Ubud to see what it has got to offer. With Matilda Visits here in Ubud, and we have stumbled across a local celebration. That gentleman's great-granduncle has just passed away, and he was a local chief. They've cremated his body earlier, and this is a big ceremony and big procession that they're actually going to hold in his honor through the town center here. Yeah. So what a fantastic time in Ubud. We wanted to show you the procession, but it just started pouring down like there's no tomorrow. The heavens have opened up. We decided to leave for the hotel a little bit earlier. But we're all happy. Leander has got an ice cream, Matilda's got an ice cream. Everybody's got ice cream. Ooh, that's lovely. Who's winning?
Okay. First dinner in Bali, yes. Yay, yum.
We should probably explain what has been happening over the past couple of days. So we've arrived 3 or 4 days ago. In the meantime, all of the families here, so grandpa, grandma, friends, family, Michael, Sherry, of course. Then tomorrow is Sherry and Michael's big day. They're getting married here, and that's the reason we are all together in Bali. And today we are at the Royal Palace. Let's listen to my wife to hear why this is so important.
This is the Royal Palace because Bali was previously having a king who were the Chinese kings, but in Bali it's 60% Hindu and the rest Buddha Chinese. So it's always been a sort of marriage between those two rather than an imperial kingship.
Learned about yin and yang. They're checkered and white fabric around each statue means yin and yang, a bit of good and a bit of bad in all of us. Very positive, and also about giving cheerfully from your heart. That's why you have the lovely flowers to celebrate the beauty of life. Namaste.
It has been more than half a year since we've last seen you and Matilda Visits. What have you been up to in the meantime?
We got married.
We got married, increased our farmland animals, done heaps of stuff.
Leander Life is drawing a bit of a crowd here.
Bali, we're having lots of fun.
And what did you do this morning? Did you go swimming?
Yes. I really wanted to go swimming, but we can't because it's so
So Pablo is also along on the journey, and I'm very glad to report that Matilda is filming. She is very much, you know, the head producer here of Matilda Visits.
What do we do at these shops?
You can get all matter of things here. I think there's nice juices over there. Oh, watch out, there's a car coming.
I think you're filming the wrong thing, Daddy. We can buy stuff at the
Right,
shops.
there's ice cream over there. Would you like to have an ice cream?
Yay!
Passion fruit.
Oh, that sounds exactly like me.
Good, Leander.
Daddy.
Are you struggling with that spoon?
We have landed in Bernadette's, a famous place. It is featured in Lonely Planet for its fantastic Indonesian food. And we are just here to have a quick drink along this fantastic alleyway which we found and stumbled across. It is great being in Bali. Just stopped filming the last few scenes and it started pouring like there's no tomorrow. In Ubud, when we arrived, it's raining. So we have returned from Ubud back to our holiday resort where we are about to enjoy dinner in celebration of Sherry and Michael. Tomorrow is their special day. Yeah, the sky looks fantastic. It's still warm, nice and very, very humid, but we're enjoying it. Matilda and Leander somewhere back there enjoying their grandparents here in Australia, here from Australia. And the main event why we came to Bali is about to start. It's Michael and Sherry's wedding day. We're here at the beautiful holiday resort in the middle of the jungle and are just waiting for the bride and the bridesmaids and looking forward for the wedding to start. Just behind us, the very, very excited and nervous groom.
Okay, perfect.
I hear he's been involved in wedding planning all day, but now things seem to be under control.
Easy now. Just has to show up. Hurry up.
You briefed your MC?
Just then. The best organised wedding today.
And will you love him, keep him, and honor him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to him as long as you shall live?
I do.
And will you love her, keep her, and honor her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others, be faithful to her as long as you shall live?
I will.
We are all a little weird and life's a little weird. When we find someone whose weirdness is compatible with ours, we join up with them and fall in mutual weirdness and call it love. But to be honest, Sherry isn't as weird as Uncle Mick.
You're such an amazing person, so kind-hearted, funny, intelligent, extremely cheeky, and always up for an adventure, no matter how crazy some of my ideas are. I love that even when our boat was sinking in Harvey Bay, you had faith in me to get our family to safety, and that instead of saying we're not doing that again, you simply told me that you would remember to put the bungs in next time.
Marriage is a public pledge to commit to rarely getting my own way. You, Michael, seem to have a special skill of making me think I'm winning, but really you are. This is probably because we were made for each other. You make me very happy, Michael, and I can't wait to share our lives together with our children.
Kiss the bride. More.
raise their glasses to the sommelier Michael and sparkling gem sherry.
Langan Nandi Riwakasan in Balinese for wishing you love and happiness.
We are now a proper family. We always were, but you are officially steps. Not you, you're adopted with us. You can stay. Yay! It's where I belong from this moment on. Please, 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 let me to want to. Oh, you precious sweet waves to my.
So with these scenes we say goodbye from Ubud. It was fantastic to be at Michael and Sherry's wedding here with Matilda Visits and Leo the Live. And we'll see you again in the next episode. Bye bye!